Choosing a bookkeeper is a very important decision. Doing your own bookkeeping can be time-consuming, and you need to find someone you can trust to handle that side of your business professionally. If your business is outgrowing your DIY bookkeeping job, then here are 5 thoughts that you should have before hiring a bookkeeper. 1. Credentials and qualifications. Ask to see professional qualifications and accreditation of every bookkeeper that you speak to. Keep your eyes peeled for AAT diplomas and memberships of professional associations. 2. Your requirements. Before searching for a bookkeeper, you will want to determine what your needs are. Thinking about the number of transactions that you handle and the type of business that you run can help you choose the right person for the job. 3. Accounting software and online platforms. We would highly recommend that you seek out a bookkeeper who is familiar with your accounting software. This will enable the two of you to share information without the hassle of transferring it from one platform to another. 4. Communication. The relationship between a business owner and a bookkeeper is one that has to feature a lot of open channels of communication. It is based solely on trust, as a bookkeeper is going to be entrusted with a lot of confidential information. 5. Affordability. You should get several quotes before you decide to go with a specific bookkeeper. Try not to choose the cheapest, based purely on cost. But make sure you choose a bookkeeper that you can afford. Bookkeeping can take a huge amount of time, energy, and patience. As a business owner or manager, you probably have other things to focus on. So, if you are currently looking for a certified, trusted, and experienced bookkeeper who can handle your bookkeeping professionally, contact us today for a free consultation.